So today you will learn how you can share posts to your Instagram story, and this is a very simple thing to do. So the first thing we need to do is head over to our Instagram, and then from here you now only want to find the post you want to add to your story. Now this works with most of the posts on Instagram, but some people will be able to change a setting not allowing you to post this to your story. So please keep that in mind when you are doing this. Now for example, if I scroll down and I find a post here, what I will do is I will share this one right here. So once you have located the post, all we simply need to do is go to the share icon. Once you do this, you will now see an option for add to story in the bottom left hand corner. If they've changed the settings on their post, you might not see this, so keep that in mind. But then you can click on add to story, and then as you will notice, you will then be able to add to story. You'll be able to add text. So for example, tutorial, and then you can customize this as you would like. And then once you are happy, click on done. Click on the little share icon in the bottom right hand corner. And then as you can see, this will then be posted once you click on share. And then what you will then be able to do is go back over to your profile and just see that that post has now been shared to my Instagram story. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.